Hello friends, I Pushkar TGT Maths from DAV Public School, Kainteria Gaya. Today we are going to learn about probability. Probability has an important role in our life. With the help of probability, we can find the chance for winning or losing in a game or in a work in which we have chances. That's why we are going to learn about probability. First of all, we are going to learn some important definitions which take important role to find probability. Definitions of first of experiment. We will find the probability when we will do some work. Those works are known as experiment. And in book, experiment is defined as an operation which can produce some well-defined outcomes is called experiment. And next is random experiment, an experiment in which all possible outcomes are known and the exact outcome cannot be predicted in advance is called a random experiment. Means accidentally experiment which is known as random. Randomly, you have tossed a coin, then you have head and tail. This is random experiment. You accidentally, you have thrown an unbiased die. Then you have so many chances. That's why this is known as random experiment. In random experiment, we have event. The collection of all or some of the possible outcomes is called an event. Example, when they will throw an unbiased coin, then we have two events known as head and tail. When they will throw a die, then we have six events, six numbers. Those numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all events are equally likely. The next term is equally likely events. A given number of events are said to be equally likely if none of them is expected to occur in preference to the others. Suppose we are throwing a coin, it has head and tail. Clearly, to find either head or tail, chances are equal. When we will throw a die, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 equally. No chance may come twice or thrice. Then we will throw, then either 1 may come, 2 may come, 3 may come, 4, 5, or 6 may come equally. Therefore, all these events are equally likely. Then now we are going to define probability. Probability, we are going to define probability in different ways. Simple definition, it is a possibility to determine occurrence of certain event from a well-defined outcomes. Outcomes are also known as sample spaces, which are equally likely. By another mathematicians, first, second definition, if an event can happen in A ways and fail in B ways, and each of these ways is equally likely, the probability or the chance of its happening is A upon A plus B, and that of its falling is B upon B A plus B. This definition is given by great mathematician all and night. Another definition from another books by R.S. Agrawal also, probability is a concept which numerically measures the degree of certainty of the occurrence of events. Now we are going to find a formula to find probability for occurrence of an event. Let number of total possible outcomes is ns, number of occurrence of an event is ne, and probability of occurrence of an event is pe. That's why formula is probability for this certain event equal to number of event by a number of sample species. This is formula by which we can find probability. Sometimes probability may come 1, then that event is known as certain event. Sorry. Suppose I have tossed a coin, then we have head, one head, tail, one tail. Probability for coming head is 1 by 2. Probability for coming tail is also 1 by 2, and total probability is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1. Then this is known as sure event. If value of probability is 0, then it is an impossible event. Thus the range of probability is from 0 to 1. Means probability is always in a proper fraction. Minimum probability is 0 and maximum probability is 1. We can't find probability greater than 1. In this way, we can find probability by using this formula. Today is this last class. Next day, we will learn more about probability. Thank you.